ताकों पे सजाया जाता हूँ, आंखों से लगाया जाता हूँ. Are you following me? ताकों में, when you put it on the shelf, and you put your eyes. ताकों पे सजाया जाता हूँ, आंखों से लगाया जाता हूँ, तावीज़ बनाया जाता हूँ, धो धो के पिलाया जाता हूँ. I'm made into a tawiz. You know, people put it here or here. That's what we do with the Quran. And then when somebody is sick, we pour the water on the Quran and let that person drink the water. It happens, brother. And then, brother and sister, what does he say? Juzdan harir or resham ke. Harir is silk. I mean, resham is silk. Harir, degree, yeah. Juzdan harir or resham ke. और फूल सितारे चांदी के, फिर तर की बारिश होती है, खुशबू में बसाया जाता हूँ. What is happening, Sister Mahmuna? That I am put in a nice silk cloth, you know. I am wrapped in a silk cloth, you know. And then on that silk, I put with the thread of silver, stars and moon. And on top of that, I put lot of perfume. So that I always live in fragrance. This is my position. Juzdan hari resham ke, और फूल सितारे चांदी के, फिर तर की बारिश होती है, खुशबू में बसाया जाता हूँ. जिस तरह से तोता मैना को कुछ बोल सिखाए जाते हैं. Are you with me? The way you teach parrot certain words. You teach a parrot or any other bird some words, and that bird is going to repeat those words. Are you with me? जिस तरह से तोता मैना को कुछ बोल सिखाए जाते हैं, इस तरह पढ़ाया जाता हूँ, इस तरह सिखाया जाता हूँ. Are you with me, brother and sister? जिस तरह से तोता मैना को कुछ बोल सिखाए जाते हैं, इस तरह पढ़ाया जाता हूँ, इस तरह सिखाया जाता हूँ. This is the way I am being taught. As you teach a parrot some words, my position is similarly, that I am taught like that to people. There are more verses, brother. I'm not going to sing the whole. I'm not thoroughly finished with it. If I feel, I will add it in the end of the DVD. But it is such a moving poem, brother and sister. What is it called? Complain of the Quran. This is the way we take Quran for granted. And in that poster, this is the verse mentioned. وَقَالَ الرَّسُولُ, and Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Ya Rabbi, inna qawmi ittakhadhu hadha al-Qur'ana mahjura. No, this is a warning to us, brother. We may not fall into this category of people, brother. Again, different scholars will give a different meaning. And I was curious, what is the other commentator saying? So I went to Muhammad Asad, Message of the Quran. How does he translate? I like it, brother. Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, he said, verily my people. Then he writes in the bracket, some of them. Are you with me? Not the whole ummah, but some of them. So brother, we should not be in one of those some of them. We should understand Quran, ponder over it, and implement it in our life, the teachings of the Quran. So can you see now the connection between all those 4 verses, brothers and sisters? You know, and this is the way I hope that you will all understand, you know, inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters? Now the homework is, you will read 4 verses of Surah Furqan and see how many verbs are there. Are you with me? And I'm sure you understand every verb in it. You will understand everything in it, inshallah. Okay, brother, we move forward now. يَجُوزُ أَن تَدْخُلَ ظَنَّ عَلَى أَنَّ. It is permissible that the verb zanna will enter on anna. What is anna? What is anna, brother? Min akhwatu inna. Wa an. And what is an? Harfu nasbin wa mastariyin. So what happens then? Fayunsabu. This is majhul. Al-masdarul mu'awwalu. This is your naib file. Are you with me? Make it al-masdaru al-mu'awwalu, because it is your naib file. Ala maf'uliyati. Now what is the meaning of this, brothers and sisters? I am giving you the meaning of yunsabu. Masdar mu'awwal is regarded as mansub. Are you with me? Yunsabu al-masdaru mu'awwalu. Masdar mu'awwal is regarded as mansub. When it is regarded as mansub, what do? Says Hafsa, when it is regarded as mansub, what do? Fi mahalli. What is it? Fi mahalli. At that time, you will use the expression fi mahalli. Are you with me, brother and sister? Fi mahalli nasbin. So, ala maf'uliyati means, brother and sister, for being the maf'ul. For being the maf'ul. That's the meaning of it. Okay? I repeat one more time. The masdar mu'awwal is regarded, brothers and sisters, as mansub, fi mahalli nasbin, for being the object, for being the maf'ul. Now, look for it. And watch for it. But then, how do you explain? Now, this is very interesting. وَيَسُدُّ مَسَدَّ. Are you with me? What is yasuddu? Okay? It is mudariya. What is madi? Sadda. What is the madi, brothers and sisters? Sadda yasuddu maf'ulay.